Three things that are very important to clear this NET examination. One, exam-oriented content. Second one, exam-demanded MCQs practice. And third one, effective revision. If you are having these three things, make sure that definitely you can clear this NET or JR in the upcoming examination itself. And all these are at one particular source, that is in our particular course. Yes, History for Exams, our YouTube channel, present you the most comprehensive NET course for you. That's an all India program, Astra 1.0, and we have started this course already. As you guys know, History for Exams is a YouTube channel in which you will get most of the relevant content in the history. And similarly, we are having result in previous years as well. You can check out our free classes in our particular course, and for that you will get the course link in the description or comment section. As well as if you want to have any particular mentorship in which you can talk with our mentor and discuss your problems in NET examination. So these all are very free in our particular course, and don't forget to grab this particular opportunity in which Astra 1.0 is the all India batch as well as the ever cheapest price in India. So in this particular affordability, have a quality learn program and just study at rupees 3000 only, and check out our free classes in the application itself. So that's all. Thank you.